Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap where Ashish Dhawan has bought 8,18,609 shares during the last quarter. Now, some of the subsidiaries of the company include Quest Properties India Limited, which owns and operates the Quest Mall in Kolkata, and Guilt Free Industries Limited, which is engaged in the FMCG business under the brand name 2Yum, endorsed by Virat Kohli. Some of the other brands which are subsidiaries of this company include the Waffle Walla and the Chef's Bowl. Now, First Source Solutions Limited is also a part subsidiary of this company. Now friends, we have recently started offering channel memberships, which is a way for you to get entitled to member-only privileges on Profit and Equities. Please click on the blue join button below and follow the steps to become channel members. Also, if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is CESC Ventures Limited, which is available at Rs 532.10 and the face value for it is 10. The March 2019 holding for Ashish Dhawan in this particular company stands at 3.09%. The symbol for it is CESC VENT. Now CESC Ventures Limited provides information technology related services and enables product development, operations and maintenance of existing applications, operation and maintenance of infrastructure and assets relating to information technology, including all software and hardware elements, furnishing reports and records. Now, as we had already said, this company also has a lot of subsidiaries like the Waffle Walla, the Chef's Bowl, the 2Yum brand, and also the Quest Mall and associated properties in Kolkata. Now, this company does not have a charting history of 1 year, hence the chart provided is of a small duration and it would not be wise to draw any conclusions from such a small time frame. The market cap of the company is 1410.67 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 35.79 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 14.87, which is slightly cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 18.10. The price to book ratio of 0.43 is also dirt cheap. The company did not pay out any dividends, whereas the promoter holding for this company is just about average at 49.92%. Also, the good thing is that none of the promoters holding is pledged. The total debt on the books is close to 930 crores. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.